Obsidian tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video I'm going to give you a tutorial about a platform called Obsidian. So what is this platform and how you can start using it and what are the basic features of the platform? All I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you have to open obsidian.md. This is the web address. You can just simply go on, write it on the URL bar, and you will access Obsidian. This is their homepage. It looks very aesthetic, and this is basically a platform which is holds all of your knowledge base that works on top of your local folder of plain text files. So it is basically a kind of a note-taking app, and you can basically write in everything. Like if there is a quick information that you want to jot down, it works as a planner. It's a project management app as well. It does some very basic tasks. You can make to-do lists. It basically works as your personal journal. So it is very easy to get started with the Obsidian, and the features are also very simple. Here you can see that this is their homepage, and they say it is a second brain for you forever. So Obsidian is a powerful and extensible knowledge base that works on top of your local folder, etc. So it is also available as an app, so you can use it on your mobile as well. It is available on the App Store of Apple. It is also on Google Play as well. You can also available for Mac operating system, Linux, Snap, Linux Flatpak, and more platforms. It is available for all of them. So you can get Obsidian for the Windows as well from this option right here. It is a 75 something MB file. You can give it some time. It will be downloaded, and you can use Obsidian on your Windows as well. So this is the homepage after logging into Obsidian looks like. Okay, so to use Obsidian, you need to register your account. You can simply start downloading Obsidian and start using it. You don't have to register yourself first. What you need to do is you can basically continue with Obsidian without creating an account. You can just go on, download it for your Windows, and after it is downloaded, then you can create an account so that it can save your information, whatever you have, into your own personal account. So this is after you log in onto Obsidian. This is how it looks like. Here you can see that you can open different kind of tabs. This is writing is telepathy. You can see that this is the main note that is working. This person is working on right now. You have clippings, you have daily notes, then you have ideas, you have meta, you have projects, you have references. You can add as many notes as you want. Then you do different kind of things in them as well. Then you have a graph of writing here as well. Ideas, graph, writing is telepathy. Okay, so whenever you are writing, whenever you're creating something, you basically make a mental graph of all of these things. So all of that graph can also be represented in an actual literal graph, whatever is happening into your mind. Like for example, evergreen notes turn ideas into objects that you can manipulate. So this is evergreen notes. It can turn your ideas into objects. Like for example, you can basically throw different kind of ideas to evergreen notes. Like you have books, you have on writing, writing is telepathy, everything is a remix, creativity is combined with uniqueness. You can see these are all different scattered ideas that you have just in your mind when you're brainstorming. So what evergreen note does is that it will make a pinpoint for all of these ideas, and it will link them to each other, so that later on you can differentiate the links. You can go on and change or edit the links, and it will give you a very good map of whatever you are happening, what it is happening into your own mind, whatever you're thinking, or whatever you want to work on. So from on writing ideas, you can travel through time and space, and etc. On the mobile, it is going to look something like this. This is a to-do list that a person has created at the Japan trip planning. This is the to-do, and you can basically check in the tasks, the ones that are done and the ones that are not done yet. So everything is connected. The human brain is non-linear. We jump from idea to idea all the time. Your second brain should work the same. In Obsidian, making and following connections is frictionless. Tend to your notes like a gardener. At the end of the day, sit back and marvel at your own knowledge graph. You get graph view on Obsidian. You get backlinks. You can also get outgoing links as well. You can diverge your thoughts. Then you have extensible. Your knowledge building blocks. You have Obsidian is built to be extensible from the ground up. We want you to build your own system, played with it, etc. You can mix and match your thoughts. You can do it yourself. Everything is editable, everything is reachable in Obsidian, and you can see that you have different tools. You have future proof format, you have tool control, and it is going to be always available for you. So it is a very good platform to get started. When you moving on to the mobile app of Obsidian, it also has the same features that you have on the Obsidian desktop version, and you can feel at home. If you've used Obsidian desktop, you instantly feel at home. You can basically insert the same thing onto your mobile, and whenever you're working, you can just switch to the mobile, switch to the desktop. It's up to you. You can link the both, you can sync the both, and the both will work for you. So this is the same example. Evergreen notes turn your ideas into objects. Happens on mobile as well. The same features are available on both. Small but mighty. Despite the limited screen size, Obsidian Mobile is packed with features. You can see all the features, and because we know you'll be working all the time on the mobile, so here you can see that writing is telepathy. The same example is being shown on the mobile as well. Speed of thought. So what is basically about Obsidian? It has a speed of thought. Obsidian loads blazing fast. You don't have to wait for the connection. With the customizable toolbar, you get a customizable toolbar. Here you can see that you have all of these things. You can add internal link, add embed, add tag, insert attachment, toggle heading, toggle bold, toggle italics. You can toggle bullet list, insert markdown, etc. You have a mobile, you have editor, files, links, appearances, hotkeys, about, core plugins, backlinks, command palette, daily notes, file recovery. Like, you have got a lot of things on Obsidian, and you can basically use them to customize whatever you want to make your notes. You can see this color palette right here. You can use any color that you want, and you can use it to make your appearance more bright. You can make it to look more promising. You can make it to look more efficient when you're working. It is fast, it is familiar, it is full featured. So it is a really good platform. So there are some couple of plugins that you can use when you are working on Obsidian. So there are a lot of plugins that you can use, but there are some that, like for example, there are a total of 979 community plugins. Like, you can micro publish, call out manager, advanced space, you have custom window title, quick share. I'm not going to read all of them because there are too many. So you can search for any plugin that you want. If you want to insert it into your Obsidian, it will be available, and you can sync your Obsidian with that plugin, and it will work for you as your mini app into your Obsidian. Then you have a community. You can join the Discord group for Obsidian or Obsidian forum, and you can get all the updates and information, and you can talk to other members as well, and you can increase your knowledge of the platform and other things as well. So moving on to the pricing of Obsidian. Okay, so moving on to the pricing of Obsidian, there is a personal plan that is available for $0. I mean, that is for free. You can get 100% free for personal use. No account or sign up required. Access to plugins and API and community support is available in this version, and you can just go on, download Obsidian, and start using it right now. Then you have a Catalyst plan, in which you have support development, you have early access to insider builds, you have special badges in our community, and you can access to exclusive development channel. That is for $25+ one-time payment, more tires available, and you can just buy it, and refund policy, you can check it out, and license information, you can check it out as well. Then there is a commercial version, and you can start using the 14-day free trial for that before paying. It is for commercial use. It is the priority support. For bulk discounts and other inquiries, please contact us at support@Obsidian, and it is available for $50 per user per year. You can go on and buy that if you think you want to use it. And there are some add-on services that you can add, like for example, Sync. It offers end-to-end encryption. It is a built-in version history and priority email support. It is for $8 per month, which is billed annually. Then you have an option of Publish as an add-on service, and in here you need no technical knowledge required. You have selectively published notes, you have graph view and outline, you have priority email support, and it is also for $8 per month per site, which is also billed annually. So you can just go on and continue with Obsidian because it is freely available as well. Make your account or don't make it, it's up to you, and start jotting down all of your ideas into the Obsidian. It will take care of them before you forget it, and before you don't know what to do with it, it will keep them safe. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy. Thank you.